Hi, I'm Katie from ShopWildThings. We get some questions that I wanted to address about our greenery wall panels, and this is going to be a big fat video including a lot of information, but if you just hang tight, I promise we will try to answer most of the frequently asked questions that we have. Bullet point list, we're going to talk about fire retardancy and how to hang them on drywall versus concrete. Can you mix the styles? What to do about some of the grid edges showing. So let's just start off with, can you mix our panels? These are our 40 by 40 mats, and you can see that they have different patterns on them. A lot of our customers buy all the same mat, but you can mix these if you'd like to. So any of the numbers that start with 107 on the website are easily mixed together. The color tones are very similar. This is actually not even a 107, and it looks good with these, so you could match these in here. This is one of the Paradise panels. It's one of the smaller Paradise, the 20 by 40s. This on the top left is Fantasy Courtyard. This one here is Garden Daydream. This is Super Lush. And this one down here is Dream Meadow. Now you can see that I just placed these next to each other and hung them up, but if you wanted to use two panels, you could do that. This style here is a little more plain without as much color, so you could match that one with more color, whatever you'd like. The possibilities are endless. You can cut these with scissors, so if you wanted to make different patterns or fit them into a frame or a circle or some other creative way of using them, you could do that. These are inherently fireproof, fire retardant, but they do not come with certificates. We do offer some on our website that say fire retardant, or fire rated rather, and they come with certificates. These do not come with certificates. So if you purchase these and your fire marshal comes and says, hey, we need certificates for these, we can't provide them for these even though they are fire retardant. They've passed all kinds of tests, but they don't have that extra chemical to make them totally fire retardant and shoot the price way up. So we have some on the website and more coming that do come with certificates, so make sure to check that out. To hang these up, some people use pipe and drape. You need the strongest pipe and drape possible. I have this against a plywood painted green backdrop. I just staple gun them on here. It just took seconds. You don't have to paint your backdrop green if you don't want to. These are so thick it won't really show what's behind it. You can put them on concrete. You would need a drill and concrete screws. We'll have links to all of that and photos for you that we'll add to the video. We have blogs written up about that too. Rental friendly. If you don't want to put holes or staples, I just staple gun these up. You can use command hooks. So command hooks, you just adhere it to the wall, let it sit a little bit, and then the grid on the back here would hang on the command hook. So these are rental friendly if you need to use them somewhere where you can't damage the walls or put any holes in there. Indoors and outdoors, they're rated for many hours. Cleaning, just hose them off with a hose or gentle soap and water. You can spray them, that's fine. They'll be in good shape. These have no harmful chemicals in them. They don't stink, so when you get them home, even if you have them hanging over your bed, I have them all over my house, and they don't smell at all. They are fantastic. So if we haven't answered any questions here, we have a ton of videos about the greenery walls. We have a lot of different articles in the Get Inspired section on the website. You can also look at the zillions and zillions of customer product review photos that we have on the website. Check out our Instagram, our Facebook. We have a lot of material out there for you to look at and get inspired by. So we hope that you love them as much as we do, and we can't wait to see what you do with them. Shop online at ShopWildThings.com or call our team. They're so helpful at 928-855-6075.